finally we are launching on 17th of Feb, and I have the competent team, the best people possibly we can have in the country. They are with me, and they are introducing themselves. And let me ask Mr. Matt, can you please introduce to my viewers and tell them about yourself?
Yeah, my name is Matt Cronje. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of Sadar Group of Companies and also responsible for sales and marketing at Taj. And I've personally have a wealth of experience all over the Middle East, including Emaar and the Savola Group. And our plan is to immediately proceed with the pre-launch as well as the construction as directed by the Boulevard Towers CEO. Currently, as you know, Pakistan are in a bit of a financial crunch, and also with the elections coming shortly. We believe that in the next month or two, things will turn for the better for Pakistan, and things will slowly move back to normal with regards to the economic situation. And Taj is one of the leading property development companies in the country, and we have taken this initiative to actually proceed and produce on ground projects, including villa sales, residential sales within the Taj community. We're also expanding the master plan shortly. So together with the Boulevard development, we will become a real estate asset and statement in Islamabad.
Thank you.